Insurance companies are always going to try to devalue your claim. I see this happen every day. I see it happen all the time. The number one way that the insurance company tries to do this is that they make you a number, or they try to make you a number rather than a person. And what I mean by that is these are large national corporations that handle hundreds, if not thousands, of claims on a daily basis. And they have all these cases come across their desks, and there's one after the other, and they just look at the numbers, and they rarely stop to look at the person and what's actually going on with that person. And that's one reason why it's very important to hire an attorney and have somebody like us take over and look at your case. Another way that the insurance company does this, or they treat you like a number rather than a person, is they look at your case and they look at your amount of medical bills, okay? And they try to anchor everything to that. And in reality, or from a legal perspective, the medical damage or the medical bill is only one aspect of the case, okay? From our perspective, the bigger aspects of the case are your pain and suffering, how your life's been affected, how this accident has, potentially forever changed your life. From the insurance company's perspective, they just look at the medical bill and tie everything to that number, right? So they're looking at that number and they're not looking at you as a person. Number two, the second way that insurance companies try to devalue your claim is they look at any prior injury you've ever had or any pre-existing condition that you might have before this accident happened. And if they can blame something on that, or if they can tie a medical bill to that or part of your claim to that, they absolutely will. It's unfair, but it happens all the time, and we are very adequate in combating that. And then the third way that I typically see the insurance company devalue a claim is they try to see if you've ever been in a prior motor vehicle accident. Even if it's one that was just a fender bender, that you weren't hurt in, that you never went and saw the doctor for, if they find out that you've been in a prior accident, they'll say, oh, well, hey, this person's been in an accident before. They're either injured because of that, or they have a proclivity for making these types of claims, even if that may not be true at all. And that is all I have to say.
Awesome.